If you have a phone, an internet connection, and some free time in your day, like 30 minutes to an hour per day, just free time, just to put some work into this, I'm going to show you how you can make $200 a day. Hey Millionaire Minders, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $200 a day using your phone, an internet connection, and some free time in your day, such as 30 minutes to an hour per day. That is all you need, and this is completely free to start. You don't need any money to get started with this method. You can set up an entire stream of income with this method, as this is more of a business model that pays a lot more than those of the standard make money online websites that only pay you a couple of cents or a couple of dollars per hour. And you can scale your income as large as you want with this method, because this is a business model and you can grow as large as you want to. And I personally have used this strategy and earned with this strategy before, and it's very profitable. I think it's a great way to really get started online if you want to get started with your own online business and really scale from like $200 eventually, like 30, 40 days time, you can get to $300 a day. Eventually, you can even scale larger than that. And if you guys are new to the channel and want to see various different ways on how you can make money online, make sure to jump down and subscribe and leave a like on this video. It will really be appreciated. But let's get straight into the method. Alright, so we're now on the Google page, and the strategy that I want to bring up in this video is how you can find high converting products for Instagram. But now you got to think to yourself, because Instagram is a platform full of young people that really don't have a lot of money, unlike the parents maybe. And we've got to take advantage of impulse buys, because obviously if something is too expensive, these people on Instagram that really don't have a lot of money are not going to buy the product, and you're not going to convert as many sales as you want to. But I'm going to show you exactly how you can find these products and scale your Instagram page into a large online business using this strategy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop onto clickbank.com, and you want to create an account on this website. And this is basically an affiliate marketplace where people can sign up an account and offer various offers on so many different products, and you earn a commission on every single sale that you make. Now, as I say, you want to find products that are not too expensive, that will make use of an impulse buy, because obviously these people on Instagram, as I say, don't have a lot of money. So you want to make use of impulse buying, and you can do that by searching on ClickBank free plus shipping products. And why, you may ask? Because we are taking advantage of that impulse buy. Whenever a product includes something free with it, and you see like free in the heading, you're going to get a lot more conversion rates on that product and more sales on that specific product, because people love free stuff. So you can see, for example, a free exercise resistant loop bands. I actually saw an ad of one of those on Facebook the other day, and it got a lot of attention. A lot of people were clicking on that ad, and it was getting a lot of conversions as well. So you can see a free loop bands. They've got a 60-second salad maker, new free shipping funnel. And what you can do is choose a couple of products. You can also sort by gravity, so the products that are selling the most, that are really getting quite a couple of sales. So also the nice thing about free shipping products on this website, the competition is not very high for these products. So your chances of making money or selling these products are a lot higher than that of products maybe listed on the homepage, because as I say, there's a lot of competition for that. Alright, so I'm going to choose the free exercise resistant loop bands. This one, a 60-second salad maker. Let's also scroll down and see what else we can find. Let's also maybe go a cookbook. Here I see as a Pillow Hacks cookbook. So I'm just going to use these three products for example. And you can see you get your very own landing page for every product with a neat video, attention, health and fitness seeker. So a very professional landing page that can convert, or that will convert a lot of traffic into sales for you. And you can see if you scroll down on this specific page of this specific product, you've got like, tell us where to ship your free exercise band. So what's nice about this product is free, and you only pay for shipping. So that's like a real impulse buy that a lot of people will probably come to this link, or when you run your Instagram business. And as I said, I'm going to show you how you can get a lot of traffic to Instagram and scale business massively. And when they see free stuff like this, a lot of people are going to make a lot of impulse buys, and you're going to get a lot of commissions with those sales. And you can see I've also got a salad maker that costs like 10 or $8, $7. That's also free shipping. So you're also getting free stuff or free value with the specific product. And you can see this one, the Paleo Lifestyle Enthusiasts, target people that are wanting to go on diets with specific dishes or different meals that can be made to lose or gain weight or bulk or shred. That's the nice thing about this book. You can see it gives a very professional landing page that gives the customer all the information you need. And also free shipping, free value. So a lot of people are going to make impulse buys. So your traffic in Instagram that I'm going to show you how you can get. You're going to learn how to convert a lot of that traffic into actual sales and really get a lot of commission for yourself. And if I go to the Paleo Enthusiast Cookbook page and I click on the checkout, if I go to the bottom, you can see only $12.95. And I click on buy now, you can see it will take me to the checkout, and you can see that this product will only cost me 203 Rand, which is equivalent to $13. And I mean, this is free shipping. So as I say, this is a good deal. And you can see with this book, they're giving you $150 off the book. So you get the total value of this book is $162. This customer is only paying $12.95, and then you're still going to get a good commission on that when you make a sale. So as I say, this comes with free value, and a lot of people are going to make impulse buys with a product like this. And if you make a sale on the Paleo Hacks cookbooks, you're going to make $14 on a sale, which is really good. I mean, you can get like 10 of these sales a day on this product pretty easily on Instagram. I mean, Instagram is a network full of billions of people, and I'm going to show you how you can leverage that. And the great thing about ClickBank, if a customer has a dispute with the product, you're not going to have to deal with any of the refunds or any of the nonsense from a customer. That all goes to the company. You just helped get a sale through your affiliate link or your affiliate offer through ClickBank, and you don't have to deal with any unhappy clients. So you just make the sale, you keep your commissions, and you've got nothing to worry about. And this is another one, an exercise-resistant loop band. And with this one, for example, if you make a sale on this, you're going to earn $7 just for getting someone to come through onto this page through your affiliate link through Instagram. You're going to get $7 for every single sale, and at the same time, it's free shipping to your customer or the client that you've referred to this page. So as I say, free value. It's most likely going to be an impulse buy because people love these sort of products, these various different nifty products that you can find on the market, especially when it comes with free value. In this case, free shipping. Okay, now that we have these low ticket but high upsell products from ClickBank.com, you can literally choose any with some free offers. I just chose the two here, loop bands and a exercise or cookbook. And I'm going to now show you how you can really scale this and grow and get traffic on Instagram to really get a lot of sales, how you can make your page professional to get a lot of followers as well. As I say, this is a business model, so you can't expect to make like $200 from day one as you open the door. It's not going to work like that. But I mean, if you work at this, you take 30 minutes to an hour every single day off, and you post a couple of pictures, on Instagram offering these affiliate marketers or marketing offers with free stuff, you're bound to get a lot of traffic, a lot of followers, and some sales. So you can like make goals for yourself. In the first week, you can aim for $50. Thereafter, you can aim for like $30 a day. Then eventually the second week, maybe $50 a day. And then after like 90 days, you can scale to like $150, $200 per day, in sales and follower base, on Instagram. And from there, you can scale even bigger and bigger as you go. Okay, so I'm logged into my Instagram account, and let's say we're going to promote the paleo lifestyle cookbook with like healthy foods, healthy diets, and that sort of thing. So I'm going to go over to the search bar, and you can go search a hashtag. For example, I'm just going to go cooking. Okay, so you can see cooking has cooking has over 32 million posts on Instagram with the cooking hashtag. So you can find a lot of content based on this. And what you can do is you can use these photos in your Instagram page. You can literally save these photos. So you can go Instagram, download photos, and you can go to downloadgram.com, and you can paste the link and download the photos of these pictures and upload them to your own page and just give these specific pages credit. So if you can say, for example, let's choose this one with the mussels and spaghetti or noodles. You can credit this page by tagging them in the post, and then you can say something like in the caption, having trouble sticking with a diet that will really help you lose weight. And you can also say, in this offer, you will get over $140 off on a paleo cookbook that will give you all the necessary foods and diets that you can cook. So you get a worth grand total asset of $160, and you only pay $12.95 and free international shipping. So that sounds like an amazing offer. If you think about it, when people come onto that and they see that as an offer, and you can have like link in bio or something like that, or your link in your story, and only $12.95, and you still earn on this sale $14.27. You can go to a basic website like canva.com, and you can create an awesome logo, get an idea for thumbnails, Instagram thumbnails to get started on your page. Otherwise, go look at all of these other cooking posts or pages, and just to get an idea of what you'd like to see or what you can create or the sort of style you can create with your Instagram page. And as I say, just use these posts and tag them and give them credits, and they really won't mind. Once you've created your cooking, for example, in this case, a cooking niche Instagram page, follow a couple of these accounts that permanently posting new pictures so that you've got an unlimited source of pictures coming in that you can use for your own page, where you can create literally an unlimited amount of offers, permanently getting more and more people coming to your page and getting more sales on your Instagram page. So for example, I'm going to use this one, Restaurant World Official. Let's go to this one as well. Best of Vegan. This one too has 800 likes. Amani 706. You can see as a one with 1,000 likes. Arc Drink Food. And you can go and view all of these pages. You can see they've got amazing pictures of food. They've got this one as well, vegan foods of like dessert. Very healthy and professional pictures of food products that you can use. Again, Amani Foods has also got some amazing pictures, and same with this one here, Arc Drinker Food is also uploading a lot of really good content on food that you can just use, download and tag this account and giving them credit. And what you can do is you can see some of these channels or pages are actually uploading videos as well. So you can see here's a video with 46,000 views. I mean, this video did really well. This one got 50,000 views, and you can also repost videos onto your Instagram page, making various different offers. This one even got 72,000 views. So, I mean, this page is doing really well. I mean, this video actually got more views than the amount of followers this account has. So, I mean, cooking, is a great niche to get into, but you can use any niche you'd like. If you want to use technology products, you can come look for maybe gaming products on Instagram and repost those pictures, giving those accounts credit too. You can use anything, and you can create more than one Instagram page offering multiple different offers in multiple different niches to really grow and boom your income on a daily basis with this method. And what you can do is you can also DM all of these single pages on these hashtags, asking if they want to create DM groups. You want to create groups of different cooking pictures or different groups of cooking niches and accounts on Instagram to really get a ton of content ideas for your content page or your Instagram page, where you essentially can make it look as professional as you want to get a lot of followers, a lot of traffic, and get quite a lot of sales with your ClickBank affiliate links. And you can set goals for yourself as well, like 100 followers, 200 followers, and eventually when you get to about 1,000 followers, then your posts will start like becoming more viral as you post more and more. Then you'll start to get a lot of likes, a lot of views on your different videos that you're posting, essentially getting a ton of traffic to your affiliate link offers, getting you more and more sales. So, you can scale your Instagram page into a massive online business if you just put in the time and effort every single day. You can give yourself see where you can get to after a year. If you can maybe get to like $5,000 a month eventually, or $10,000 a month, just with an Instagram page. And as I say, all you need is a mobile phone and an internet connection to do this. But I really, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video with this specific business model on how you can make money online. I really think this is one of the greatest ways to make money online, and I really think it's an underrated strategy. And I think the earning potential is really, really good with this strategy. But if you're going to get started with the strategy, maybe DM me if you want to, and I will help you out with getting started. And also comment down below what you think of the strategy, and subscribe if you're new to receive some amazing content like this, different business models, different ways to make money online, also how to grow your YouTube channel, and also leave a like on the video. It will really mean a lot. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my video tomorrow.